Good morning, guys. So how you guys doing? And today video is beginning of something special, a milestone I would say for my car. And yes, I have been pondering on this idea of changing my sport rims. And yes, I've been thinking for past few months actually. Yes, upgrading my sport rim is actually part of my plan for my car modifications. So it's just a matter of time, and I have even thought of a cheaper solution, which is to repaint my original M Sport rim to black color, because I always like black rims. Yeah, the price is actually quite reasonable, range from 500 ringgit to 600 plus for repainting the rim, excluding alignment and balancing, of course. So yeah, I almost wanted to go for it, to respray my rim, because somehow I would still upgrade my sport rim sooner or later. So I've been researching on all types of rims, and I discovered many brands that I have not heard of until now, and also the type of rim, like how it is made of, like cast wheels, flow form wheels, and forged wheels. And of course, my all-time favorite, my favorite design of the rim is, of course, the Race TE37. TE37. If perhaps I will put a screenshot here. But then, as you all know, TE37 from Race is made in Japan, and it's forged rim. Forged rim is the strongest type of rims and lightest type of rims you can find, and of course it costs a bomb. So I actually been to some tire shops, and of course these rims doesn't come available, and you have to pre-order it. And for that kind of forged rims made in Japan, original, it'll cost you easily 12 to 13,000 ringgit. So yeah, it's not cheap, of course, but it's original, and it's not like those Taiwan rims or Thailand rims that selling at 2,000 plus ringgit, one set, 4 rims. These are cast rims, and they look good, they look like original, but the quality is pretty fragile, I would say. If you go hard into potholes, the rim may just crack. So after surveying and surveying again and again, I came across a friend whom I know from my car communities. It's called this DRC Performance Wheels. He offers customized forged wheels service, and yeah, you can customize the wheels, the type, offset, size according to your like, and they will do it for you. And it's a forged rims at a very reasonable price. I wouldn't disclose the price at the moment, and I'm currently heading to his place to do the measurement for my car. So if you are interested to have a look at his forged rim collections, I will put his Facebook page at the description box, and you can go have a look. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I reach his place, and I'll show you how the measurement is done. So we are currently in Bandar Sungai Long, and we are almost there. So now they are sending my car to the lift for measurement. They have to remove one front and one rear wheel so that they can do the measurement. So measurement is done, and I'll be waiting for them to send me the invoice. Then I'll place a deposit, and they will come up with the design, and then they will proceed with the production. The rim is manufactured in Taiwan. It's according to the boss, is a OEM plant, OEM factory that producing the same forged rim for some American brands. On the measurement done by Denzel, DRC boss, was very meticulous and precise. He actually takes into account of how wide your wheels can go, the offset can go, and things like that, so that it doesn't rub against the car body. And he even recommends you what is the maximum offset that your car can take in terms of practicality. He even showed me a lot of the samples that he did for his previous customers, and also he will also recommends you on the these wheel designs, which will look which one will look better on your car. The fun thing about custom-made wheels is that you can do whatever you like with the wheels. You can even carve your names on it, or any photos that or any designs that you like on the wheels, on the center cap. But for me, I want my custom wheels to be original to the DRC design. So I decided that I don't want to do any customized carving on the wheels. I won't be disclosing the design for now, but the fitment will be 18-inch, 8J, and 40 offset is 40 for the front, and 18-inch 9J offset is 45 for the rear. And I'm very happy. I'll be very looking forward. And yeah, it takes about 1.5 or 2 months to deliver it. So yeah, I'll share with you guys when the wheels are ready to be installed. Okay, I'll see you guys in this next video. Bye.